So it's raining outside. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I got a little bored. Decided I'd make some hay feeders out of old cutout scrap doors. I've just got new rabbit cages, and I bought them already built, and the guy gave me the door cutouts. And what we're making out of the door cutouts are these hay feeders. Pretty simple. All the tools you need really is a block of wood, a hammer, a pair of diagonal cutters. I'm also using an angle grinder, which you don't have to have, because across the top, I'm cutting it with the angle grinder instead of dike, so it's not sharp. Okay. This is 1 by 2, so the bottom is 2. So the side has to be, because they're 1, there has to be 2 of them, right? And so put it on the block. We're going to beat this down here. We're going to beat this down here. We're going to bend these up to fold. I'm going to leave these to bend up and fold when we actually put it on the cage. So it's pretty simple. Just put it on the block right here and beat it with the hammer, which I'm not going to do on camera because I'm holding my phone. We're still going to hang this. We're not done. But boy, they're liking that hay feeder. We've got to clean them up. The old cage over here was horrible, and they were overcrowded, and so they peed on each other. We're going to have to dry bath them to get all that off. But hay feeders are working out good. These doe cages are 36 wide, like 24 deep, and there's 3. And then the buck cages are 24 by 24, and there's 2. So what I did is I bought a 9-foot cage, 2, and then a 4-foot cage, and then I wired them all together, hog ringed them all together. So I've got hay feeders, new feeders. New feeders have a place for a 3x5 cards for a naming, so I can do naming and breeding stuff. I've got automatic waterers coming. Got a little salt block hanging. And so the boys are in the front, and then the girls are in the back. Got one still weaning. And then what I forgot to do was buy some grow out cages. So we're going to play with rabbit tractors. Now, following Joe Saladin and talking about raising kids as much as raising animals, this side is all WTs, and he picked them, and he picked the colored ones, and he thinks he wants to sell them as pets. So we loaned him the money, right? And he's going to pay us back out of sales. But basically, we pay for everything, and he takes care of everything. And if he shows a profit, he's going to pay us back and get him introduced in the business and having something that's his on the farm. We'll probably get him to come and talk to you about the rabbits later. But we want to get this all straight and cleaned first, because those little dirty rabbits, man, they make me feel bad.